All right, guys. We're about to start. We're about to start the stream. We're about to start the stream, guys. Good to have you guys back. We're about to start the stream. Let's say quick prayer. Lord, we thank you for this morning. We thank you for today. We thank you for the stream. Also, about to commence the stream. Guide every listener and every watcher of the stream. And bless every heart that comes online with us in the mighty name of Jesus. Anyways, let's go straight to it and let's dive right in and see what is going on. Let's see what's going on. So Kel is here. If you're on the stream, do give us a shout out. Text where you're coming from, where you're probably from. Just let us know where you're basically chatting with us from. Just shout out to the stream, guys. Shout out to the stream. Anyways, this is what I have right now. My first factory. I have a copy of Ref for that news today. We have PPI by 130, which I'm going to be streaming on TikTok. This one doesn't happen live on my TikTok live, so stay tuned for this when this one comes out. So nothing more. Let's just go straight to the chat and let's just dive right in and see what's going on. You can see I've already marked up some stuff on gold, but let's just clear everything and let's do a fresh let's do a fresh one so we can know what's going on. Let's do a fresh one. So I remove everything. And the first thing I want to do is go over to my daily time frame and let's start with the daily. Let's see what's going on in the daily. So in the daily, um, 1 second, guys. Okay. In the daily time frame, in the daily, we can see that price has 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, on the daily time frame, you see that price is bullish, but the problem here is that the daily candle has no bottom wick. It has not created any low for us, and it just started pushing upwards. And you can see that currently our weekly candle is where's the drum roll is bearish because it's broken below the previous bearish candle, and it never failed to break above the previous high. So we have like a bearish momentum right now on the daily. So you can see that this candle might likely, since it has done a retest of this daily structure as well, and I know he has broken above the previous one, you can decide to flip bullish. And if you look closely, you can see that this daily candle also failed to break and close above this line here. This line you're seeing here, it also failed to break above this line. So you can likely see that price while price might reject of this level and start going to the downside. But the problem I had with gold is that it has been consolidating for a while and we don't have any clean bias. Okay, this all the structure here has been price consolidating and it has gone back up and it's doing almost the same thing. You get. So even though we are still active on the challenge, I think we are probably taking like two L's or maybe no trades, depending on the structure we see. You understand? So let's go over to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's going on in the 1 hour. So in the 1 hour, we have like a bullish candle right now. The testing is that it tested this level. It already tested this level. It already tested this level, and now you can see the candle the way it's doing. So you have like 4 more minutes to the end of this candle, which basically means that the London section is commencing in the next 4 minutes. So if I go to the 30 minutes time frame, all that I see in 30 minutes, I can see a structure in 30 minutes that is looking good for buys. But in order for me to buy it, I need price to actually break above this level for me to see like a strong bullish closure above this level, give me a good indication that price might likely go up for long. So I need to see a break and pull. So if I go to the 15 minutes, I can adjust the level to this level. I can see the line I drew. This is also a strong level. You can see rejections and candle holding this place. So I have about 3 more minutes to the end of this candle. And if you're looking for sales, actually you cannot sell off this level. So we have to draw our wow, sales are very risky now. So I can't see any opportunity for sales right now. But let me put this line here for now. Let me put this line here. And we can likely see if we can get anything below the structure for like 40 pips. So this will be my buys. I have like a strong buys above here. So I put buys above, and this is what I'm looking for right now. So if I get this, I'll look for opportunities to go long. So buys above, buys above. This is what I'm looking for right now. So let's see if we can get price to close bullish above this level. then we can look for opportunities to go long, and that's basically it. Let's see. We have about 2 more minutes, so I don't know if it's possible. But quickly, let's look at GJ as well. Let's look at what GJ is doing. Then we can know what's going on. Let's look at GJ quickly. We'll move everything. Go to the daily time frame. What is GJ doing daily? So GJ on the daily two is strong bearish. Currently, the current candle is bearish, but you can see that the candle two has no top wick, but it has broken below two previous candles. You can see the mobile previous candle. I think it's still bullish on the weekly, but it's about to flip bearish. It's still bullish on the weekly, but it's about to flip bearish. You can see this is how it is on this is basically how it is on the daily time frame. So if I go back to my daily, let's look for structure. So you can see that price now is breaking below this low, and there's no support around this level on the daily. The only support I have is like literally down here. You get this is where the only support is on the daily. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame and let's see what price is doing. So on the 4 hours, I can adjust this level to this point, and I can adjust this point to this point here. So this is what I can see. This is what I can see on the daily time frame. So if I scale down to my 1 hour time frame, I can also see that price is trying to push down and also trying to push up at the same time. So let me adjust this level to this place. So this is my highs and this is my lows on the 1 hour. So if I scale down to the 30 minutes time frame, we can start seeing structures and how we can implement it there. So I'm looking for any opportunities like below, like in this range. I can't trade this range because this is where the range is. So this price can usually come up here, we test it and start following that one. So I need price to like break above. But if I say price to break below for me for sales, the range is very small. Okay, 33 pips is okay. So if you can see, let's see if we can get anything around this level, then we can look for opportunities. But for now, this is a no trade range for me. I need either a break above or a break below. But looking like buys should be good because there are cleaner candles on the left hand side. So we have about 33 seconds more for the end of the candle. So let's quickly check gold and let's check what gold is doing. Let's see if we're getting any opportunities for us to go long. So gold is actually closing, trying to close bullish above. So let's get our stuff ready, and we might likely get an opportunity to buy this price right now this morning. So let's get ready, guys. So what I want price to do at this stage is after the candle close, before the candle close, I need, as long as we have a top pick on that candle right now, I need the next candle to like wick down. Let's see, wick down, give us a bearish rejection, then we can look to buy. I'm not looking to buy off the first 1 minute, so I need some rejection so I can look for where I put my stop loss. So do what I need on GJ right on good right now for me to enter price. So let's wait. Let's see how the candles. Let's see how this candle play out right now. So let me. Oh damn, it's already moving. It's already moving. It's already moving, guys. It's already moving. The train has left us. It's already moving, guys. I think it's already at 10 pips. Yeah, it's already at 10 pips. My problem was where to put stop loss, so I needed like, I can't just jump in the first few seconds of the candle. You guys, I can't just jump in the first few seconds. But I really left us. The bias was right, and price is already moving. So at this stage, we're already at break even. At this stage, we're moving stop loss to break even. You get me? Because at this stage, we're moving stop loss to break even. I'll be looking to close around this point. So let's see if price will get to 20p. Let's see if price will get to 20p. I've not even opened my MT5. I've not even done anything at all. Like, I'm literally not done anything. So this is what it is. I'm literally just here analyzing. So this is what it is. Price can decide to hit TP or do whatever it wants. So but basically, this was the trade I'm looking at. You can see it's already at 20p. So it's nobody for price decides to move without giving us any entry. So this is what it is. Next time we go for longs next time again. We wait for better opportunity next time. Probably if my MT5 was open, see, just tap 20p. Probably if my MT5 was open, if I already had my MT5 open down already, I would have been in this trade. I would actually been in this trade, but I did not. You can see it's 20 people has been tapped. It has been tapped, actually 23 people. So price might actually get to this point. I'm looking at this now, so actually get to this point. And this was a good trade, man. It was a good trade. This is the trade of the day. You get this is the trade of the day. So at this point, I don't think I will be looking for any opportunities anymore. I don't think I'm looking for any opportunities anymore. But let's see. Let's keep seeing. But this was the trade of the day. You understand? This was the trade of the day. There's over 30 people already at this point. Like I couldn't even do anything. Couldn't do anything. I think because I focused on GJ. I'm looking at GJ, it's breaking down GJ. That's why I didn't have enough time to get. But it is what it is. It is what it is. You can see how I break down the trade, the whole analysis, and you can see how the trade played out perfectly. Perfectly well. Well, let's assume we place the trade now. Let's see where we're going to put our stop loss. So I have to use 5 minutes for stop. And my stop loss would have been below this 5 minutes candle, which is 22p, which is also okay. It's actually also okay. Yeah, this has been the whole structure. But it's okay. It's okay. There's no problem. There's no problem about the trade. It happens to the best of us. So you can't cash all the trades. You get. But it's been a while we got a trade live. I guess it's been a while we got a trade live. I think we did that like some week ago or some days ago. You know, but it is what it is. Assuming price actually came down, not rushing off in the first 1 minute. Like he just gave me like took his time. Because see the candle 1 hour candle close bullish, which is good. This is an engulfing candle. Like this is very, very strong buyers that price is going to push up. The 30 minutes to has its own. 30 minutes, what the 30 minutes will see. So all the time frame are responding to the candle. Do you understand? All the time frame are responding. The 4 hours is flipping bullish as well. So everything was responding. So there's no how that price won't push up. You get. But just that I didn't expect it to push in the first 1 minute. Like in the first 1 minute, I didn't expect the price to move. You get. I didn't expect it to move. So no problem, guys. We're starting our challenge back. So I noticed that it's not even up to 1 month. It should be 1 month next week. So assuming the account will see on point. I think that probably the account will actually go to $500 by 1 month. Like go to get to 100 because the account gets into $200 already. I will probably be making like $30 to $40 a day in the account. You get. And once I can get to 300, so this will increase as well. So, anyways, this is a trade. We missed it. Probably price is just coming here to test this high for 50p. And the new challenge will be closing, but not in the initial stage. Not in the initial stage. You know, I said you are sticking to 20p. But as the account grows, you start closing cash outs. Like when you get to 20p, you close some position. Let's assume we're using that's when we're using 0.5 lots, 0.05 lots. You understand? So when price gets to like 20 pip, we'll likely close like 0.04, then leave 0.01. So to see that if the whole structure is good, then we'll leave it to run a bit. You understand? Leave it to run a bit. Then if we're up for the week already for like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we've gotten a good trade for the week already. And on Friday, if you happen to get a good trade as well, one price move 10 people, just break even and hold it for the longer to see how far the trade can move. So we can see. So let's see how we can scale up. I noticed that it was just basically 2 or 3 weeks we started doing the challenge, and I took the account. Like the whole idea of me doing this challenge is because I've done $5 to $80 before. I've done $5 to $120 before. You understand? I've done $5 to $120. So it's almost the same idea of me turning $50 to $800 or 1,000 or 1,200. It's just the same idea. You understand? Just like the only problem here is the lot size we're going to be using, because since it's a bigger account, you have to actually reduce it. I don't want to go full margin or start using 0.10, because normally in $5 accounts, the first lot size I can use is 0.01. So I don't want to start using 0.10 in the very first lot size. It's not possible. Although that first rate it doesn't work well. You understand? So it's possible I can do that. I can probably do that. But I'll probably open like 2 different accounts, open $250 account and use higher lot size in one and use the normal lot size in the second one. It's something I can also do. You understand? So I don't know if something you guys buy the idea of using probably mixing about 20% of the account instead of 10, then no problem, we can go about with that. But if you feel like we should use just stick to the 10% instead of 20, then just let me know. Let's know what we're going to do. So this is this guy. You can see the candle is already retracing back down, and there's actually nothing going on right now on the chart. Like there's nothing going on. So nothing going on. So let's look at GJ currently. Let's see what GJ is doing. Let's see what GJ is doing now. So GJ is still in the range. So there's nothing going on right now. GJ is still in the range, guys. Nothing going on. Yeah, this show was nice. This show was nice. Like it's been a while. Like it's been a while. You even saw a trade that looks this clean. Like it's been a while. You understand? It's been a while we saw a trade that looks this clean. Like price just did everything we need. Just that the 1 minute. There's always a comma. And looking at our left, this is something that price repeated here. Price pushed up from this level 3 days ago, and the same thing applies in here. So there's always a repetition of market structure. You understand? There's always a repetition of market structure. You see, price went up, came down, failing to break below this low, push up bullish, breaking above all these highs. Then this thing can to push up. You understand? That's exactly what price is. But now that it's coming down to retrace, it's not our business. We have no interest in the trade no more because the moment we were expecting has happened, it has happened already. So that's basically it. So nothing else we're looking for here. Nothing else we're looking for here. So we just have to wait and see what happens. We have to wait and see what happens. So in order for me to for any trade now, let me see how we probably see. Let me see if I'll possibly look for any trade right now. This 15 minutes has already retraced down. Unless we can get okay, this is something I can do. This is something I can do right now that we can look for opportunities from here. If this kind of close the way it is, let's see. Let me show you how we can probably get another opportunity. Seems like I'll wait a bit. Since we're not getting that retracement, so let's see. Let's assume that price wants to actually retrace. So if the next 15 minutes candle can do a week, we can only push it back up like this, and this one is closing. It's pushing back up, so there's no need. It's already pushing back up, and this one can close weak bull like this. You understand? And the next one start pushing above the other candle. And then I look to buy from here to the top. This is something I can also do. This is something I can also do. But let's just wait. This candle is already pushing up, so there's no point. There's no point. So let's see what the 5 minute did. So there's no point. There's no point. Oh yeah. God is good. God is good, man. God is good. God is good. God is so good. You guys, people in the chat, do you guys know about Pi coin? I feel like everybody know about Pi. So last year, early this year, my brothers, everybody in my house, even my mom, everybody in my house, they all cash out at Pi. Like they all made money from Pi. They usually made money from Pi. Like Pi was at $2. Yeah, $2. They all withdraw their money from Pi when Pi was $2. That's some months ago, alright. They all withdraw money from Pi when Pi was like sitting at $2 or something. Some was like $1 something. Some people were like $2. You guys, but me, I never, me that I'm even the one that brought everybody in my house. Like I brought them in. I never giving my money till last week, and now Pi is sitting at 0.4, and my money is like it's kind of big from Pi. I think I have about 600 worth of Pi, and Pi is like this low, like this way is. Anyways, it's not looking. This market structure in this crypto is crazy. Wow, Pi actually got to $3. That's crazy. Oh. Did you get $3? Okay, 2.9. What was this? This was February. Oh, this is crazy. Imagine me withdrawing my money at this point now. That'd be about close to $2,000 from this particular this thing. But now it's barely up to 1K. It's barely up to 1K. So I don't know why it's not buying. So let's see if we can actually even move up to this level. Yeah. I don't know. There needs some kind of sentiments. I need some kind of things going on in the news that can push it. But for now, I'm still waiting on good. Let me see. I think the 50 minutes can close. 50 minutes can close. Okay, not yet. Why the 50 minutes line is playing out? Let me do Pi News. Pi News. I can't be idle now. I have to be productive. I have to do other things. Not just not looking at the chat always. This 3 hours ago, from 5 to 1, blah 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 blah. This is Binance. Binance is carrying Pi. Why is Binance carrying Pi? Why Pi value is skyrockets? The key factor reversal. Blah 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 blah. You guys know my meal. I'm just doing some research while we're waiting for good to do good. You get. So let's see what's the good doing. Another thing that can happen is that gold can get to this very top and reject back into the zone and fall. So let's see what's going on here. So like I said, remember what I said I'm waiting for gold to do in order for me to get into the position. So let's wait. Let's wait. We have to wait like extra 30 minutes. You get this kind is closing. It's closing actually closing week. So let's wait for extra 30 minutes. Like the next 15 and the next 15. Then from there we'll know exactly what we're going to do. If the price want to actually go up or they don't do anything like that. I don't know if that makes sense. So we have to actually wait. Pi network raises 3% today. Will the Larry last or fade? Let's see. Pi token has seen a 15% surge in the last past week. Um, driven by growing message over the crypto market. However, the upward trend is not entering the crucial phase. The Pi token is facing strong selling pressure around. Today was August 14th. On August 14th, the Pi network has recorded a price. It's as close, but like I said, there's no entry here. I can't enter the price of this candle. I need to see what I just explained to you guys. So just relax. So I'm likely to get an entry on gold, but we need this candle to close bearish. I need candle to close bearish. I need to close like this. I need candle to close like this, something like this. This is how I want this price to close like this. Then if you can get this candle closing like this, then the next candle, as long as it doesn't close below the structure, then the next candle you can look to buy of the next candle. You get so you can look to buy of the next candle. But for now, there's nothing going on in gold. I'm not interested in gold right now. So I get this close I need. You get, so I get the close I need. Let me continue my observation. Let's see here. Let's use this. You guys have any question? You can ask me any question you have. If you actually have any questions, you can shoot me. Have any question for me? Feel free to ask. I'm here to answer any question. The current price of Binance network, many are upset that price hovering around 0.4, while others are open stays at that level or even drop below so you can. Oops. So the price is not giving out what it wants, it's already pushing upwards. So this is solid retest of the structure and it's pushing upwards. So there's nothing I can do. If he wants to go, he wants to leave us, he can leave us. If he wants to go, he can go. So there's nothing solid I can do right now. You get. I want the price to do something in order for me to enter it, and I don't get that, so I can't force it. You get. I needed something. Price didn't give me that, so I can't force the trade. But say like he just did a proper retest of structure now, so I think it's pushed over. Let's see, over 10 pip. Oh, we moved 20 pip too. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Anyway, let me continue what I'm doing. There's no pressure on me entering any trade. Like, there's no pressure on me entering any trade. If price doesn't do what I want, if price doesn't do what I want, I'm not bothering about it. Just I need price to actually give me what I want in order for me to enter a trade. So if I don't get it, you won't see me trying to force a trade that is not there. So I need to actually see what I need, the confluence, everything I need. You understand? In order for me to enter a trade. So if I don't get it, then there's no point of me. There's no point of me looking at a trade. So that's why I'm getting myself distracted looking at other things. You get staying disciplined in trading is one of the most hardest things to do. You understand? But um, once you can just master discipline, like you can be very disciplined to trading. As in you can just hold yourself. If once you can master discipline in trading, Baba, trust me, you can go from 0 to 100 like quick, quick. You understand? Even me, I will not lie. Even me, sometimes I still struggle with it. I've been trading for over 6 years, and I still struggle with discipline till now. You understand? But I feel like I'm very close to it. I'm actually very close to mastering my discipline tolerance. You understand? Once I, I once I just exceed that point, I'm not like I'll be upfront. Like once I exceed that point, bro, I'll be doing like crazy numbers in chat. I'll be doing like crazy numbers in chat. But for now, I'm still struggling a bit. So you guys should watch me struggle till I come out of the struggle, and you can see what will happen after that. So you get me? Why why the Pi network? Why the Pi network price could soon skyrocket? When was this news released? When was the release date of this news? Or when was the release date of this news? I think this was 12 of it was 2 months, 2 days ago. Okay, let's read this. The Pi network has faced challenges since the launch of its mainnet. Nonetheless, technical indicators point to a significant potential for the rebound of in the coming days. Explore okay, financial okay. Let's see how I analyze this spy. Let me know whether me I dey see bullish or I dey see bearish. Despite the price drop or despite the price drop, the Binance network since February launch. has formed a double bottom. That formed a double bottom. I don't know. I'll check it now. So let's see what goes going. Okay, it's pushing down now. 7 more minutes. Well, I don't think I will likely be in any opportunities in gold if it closes like this on the 30 minutes because it's a weak rejection. So and it has also retested this high, and this is a high that price rejected from previously. You can see it. It's a rejection level. So let's just wait and let's keep looking at gold while I read my news article to get me. There's nothing going on in gold, guys. There's nothing going on. If I see something here, I'll let you guys know. I'll obviously let you guys know. I'll tell you guys what I think. But there's nothing going on right now in gold. You get me? There's nothing going on. I need this candle to close. I need 30 minutes candle to close. So when the 30 minute candle close, I cannot do. You get? There's nothing actually going on. All I can see that this is some rejection area after the rejected area. The move for the day, we already missed it. Pricing gave us a decent bottom week and it just drove to the upside. We get just drove to the upside for 40 pip. So we didn't really get what we want. Okay guys, give me 1 second. I have to make the call. I have to make a call. I have to make this thing. Let me make a call quickly. All right, guys, we're back. We're back. We're back. Sorry, I had to call. Um, okay, we're currently. One second, guys. I'm doing a video for someone. So I'm currently live on YouTube. I actually stream on YouTube. So this is me. I'm actually live on YouTube right now. So anyway, so the candle is ending in 1 minute and is ending bullish, looking like it's ending bullish, but probably let's see. It seems like price is going to create a minor level of support resistance right here. So let's see. Hopefully the next 30 minutes, if you can push down, give us a strong bearish candle. Like the next 30 minutes candle. You can see a strong bearish candle pushing downwards, and you can actually get this trade. You can actually give a try on this trade. Looking like it's good. It's still good for buys. So let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do here. 5 minutes. Let's see what we can do here. Just stay active, guys. Depending on how the candle close, let's see how we get some rejections. Then from there, we can know exactly what we're going to do. You understand? You know exactly what we're going to do. But for now, there's nothing going on. Let's just wait a bit and let's wait a bit. Understand? May I actually get something here? We have few seconds more, about 50 seconds more to the end of the candle. So let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Okay. While we're doing that, let's look at GJ. Let me quickly look at GJ as well. Let's see what GJ is doing. Hopefully GJ has broken above the range. You can see what I was talking about. You can see. You can see exactly what I was talking about. I said this is like a rejection level. When price came up here, rejected it. You can see how price is trying to push down now. You can see how price is trying to push down now. You get, so basically that's it. So let's wait to see what's going on. Let me see what's going on. So the price has ended in GJ. So for gold, let's see what gold is doing. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold closed bearish. Which means that price has created a resistance level. So let's see if we can get a bullish close. Let's wait for the lesson. Like I said before, like you have to wait for 30 minutes. So let's see how the next 15 minutes goes. Then we know if we are in or out. But basically, price can just break this low and start pushing to the downside. That's something that price can do. Price can just decide to break this low and start pumping to the downside. So that's something else price can do. But let's wait. You can see it's already breaking low, but let's see how the candle close is very important to understand. If this 15 minutes candle has closed very below, it could be a possible opportunity for us to actually sell it. But since it didn't close below, and this is also a good opportunity to sell because the overall trend is still kind of, I don't know. But let's wait, just wait, just wait. Let's just wait, just wait. If we don't get it, if I don't get what I want in the next 15 minutes, then then that'll be all. I don't get what I want in the next 15 minutes. That'll be all. There we go. So let us wait for now and let's see how the candle close. If you hear, please send us a message. Let us know where you're chatting from. Just say hi, just say W, just put W in the chat. Let me know I say how people here. If you have any questions, shoot me with questions. I need a lot of questions, guys. I need a lot of questions. Yeah, I need a lot of questions, guys. So I need a lot of questions. So that's it, guys. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing is actually going on. So let's wait. Like I said, the move for the day, we already missed it. This was the move. Price move like close to 40p. You guys. So anything else we're just doing anything else. So let's keep looking at our let's keep looking at reading our article while we wait for how many minutes is left. We have about 12 minutes. About 12 minutes. So let's keep reading our articles for the next 12 minutes to see if price is going to do anything. Then we're going to, you understand. Let's keep reading. So the article is saying that What could drive Pi network higher? Several factors could support an upcoming surge in Pi network price. Firstly, the current crypto, the current crypto market is largely led by but Bitcoin doesn't really move. Bitcoin doesn't really move Pi network. Pi moves by itself. It has its own structure around it. It doesn't move by itself. Furthermore, a listing on major but Binance is not listing. Um, Binance is not listing. Will your Prime network? Seems like people have been searching for it already. Oh. Like it's like in top search. So like people are already searching for it. What's going on? Okay. Gold is dipping right now. You can see gold is actually dipping. So, uh, um, let's see. Let's look at it from a 1 hour perspective. 1 hour is flipping bearish, so it's basically looking like this structure here. The same thing that I want to do here. So you can likely see that price will likely come back to this low here. Because price will likely come back to this low. So let's wait for the candle to close. Let's wait for the candle to close. This candle has little to no top week. Man, we're getting like a strong bearish momentum to the downside, like a very strong bearish momentum. And these two rejections should have sold it out already. This two rejection, there's a new setup I'm actually considering looking at. You know that when price is giving us like some weak rejections, there's an indication that it wants to either move to the next direction. So there's actually a setup I'm actually considering showing you guys, but I'm still monitoring it. I'm backtesting it. Let me show you guys an instant on the like the setup. Let me show you guys an instant. Let me show you. I saw it like 2 days ago. I'm still working on it to see how good the setup is before I know if I will start considering using it to place trades. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, this is it. This is the breakup structure. You can see we have like weak rejection. Count is doing like weak rejection to the downside. So at this point, obviously we start expecting for price to, since the candle is getting smaller, we start expecting price to likely drive to the upside. But no, once this candle, the new candle breaks the low, you can see this one fails to break this one low. But once this new candle here breaks this low, this is where you look to go for shorts. Put your stop. I think I even enter this trade. Place your stop like above the current candle because once you flip back bullish, obviously the bias is wrong and price will likely start pushing up. So you can see that this is how price dip for around 40 pip. You understand? Easy trade like that. So that's the same thing I'm trying to see, and that is almost the same thing price did here. You get the same thing price did here. 30 minutes bullish candle, weak rejection. The same price is like weak rejection. So if we replace the, I think this candle was bearish, close strong bearish. I would have been in the straight, but it didn't. The weak rejection, stop loss like above here, price already at 30 people. So regardless of it, it's not my trade, so I have no business with it. Like I have no business with it. So that's just basically it. This is my trade, so I have no business with it. Anyways, we wait for the next 8 minutes. 8 minutes. The sales I'm seeing here, is one kind. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see why we look at Google. Gaggle. No, anyway. Pi is not currently listed on Binance. Why there is a lot of community goals and speculation, especially around Pi Day. Around Pi Day. When's Pi Day? When is Pi Day? This news was like last month. This one too is like last month. Reply list. I think like recent months. Um, News speculation. It's nothing recent here. Nothing recent here. Let's look at GJ too. So GJ now is pushing down. You see what I'm talking about. You get me? And this is exactly what I gave you guys. But this also would have been this on GJ would have also been a good trade here. This break of low here. But the problem here is that the structure is very small. Now just 15 people. The structure is very small. You guys, this should actually be a very, very good trade, like a very wonderful trade because we're already anticipating some selling pressure. So this will actually be a good trade, but the structure is just right there, like right there. I won't be surprised if somebody called this sell on GJ. I'm surprised, but the structure is just right there. You guys, there's no room for price to drive. I'm gonna go this pushing down. Voila, see voila, voila. So the 4 hours candle is flipping bearish, but it hasn't broken the previous low. So I think the probably he wants to come and create a daily low. We don't have a daily low. This candle has no daily low. So let's mark up this. Let's note this. You get. So let's mark this up and let's wait. Let's see what price does. But we have about how many minutes left? We have about 6 more minutes. So let's see. The hurry price wants to come and create today low. So if you can see, you can actually look to buy price back up if we get some bearish momentum, like probably breaking below the structure like this. And when we get like a bullish structure closing back above the zone, now price has created a low for us, probably retesting this level here and expecting this rejection we have here. So we almost can get that, we can look for opportunities so like from this point sell the price, buy the price back to the upside. So this is something else we can look for on gold. So let's see if we can get this. Might not get this during this stream because I'm going to end the stream soon. And this 150 minutes candle already moved over 60p. Over 60p. So let's wait and let's see what the price does. Anyway, guys, well, I think I'll be out of here sooner or later. I'll be out of here sooner or later. So I'll just catch you guys doing listen in the other streams. And mind you, we have PPI today, so I'll be very active doing this news. By 1 o'clock, I should be online looking for trades. So, okay, I see you guys on TikTok. Actually, if you're here, if you're not in my page, you can subscribe. So, just join my Telegram page. So when I drop the link for TikTok, you guys will see it, and we can be a part of it. You get me? So basically, this is just it. So I just drop the link for those that are new here. Just subscribe to the page and catch you guys there. If I see pushing down, I think I have a lot of noise here going on. A lot of noise going on here. Let me take this out first. And let's adjust this. We don't need this anymore. So we have to adjust this to this. This is a new high. Let's adjust this to this high. So this is what we have. This is what I have. This is what I have. So let's make it clean. Clean. The chat will always be clean, guys. Clean chat. So price has broken that low now. Price has flipped bearish on the daily. So we have a daily flip. You can see it. We have a daily flip. It could also be selling pressure. Do you know why? Because the weekly bias is bearish. Do you understand? And on the daily as well, price has failed to break above this level. It has failed. Just that this candle has broken above the high, but it has failed to break above this level. So this can actually be a selling very price can decide to zip crazy. Do you understand? But I need some momentum. Let's see. Let's see. I might not get a trade now, but if I get I'm still active, I have to just go do other things. But I'm still active. The moment I see any trade, I'll send it out there and you guys will know. So this is actually a rejection level where price are rejected multiple times. So we can actually get something up from here. We're just trading the range. Oh, this range is a bad range. We're just trading range here. Anyways, 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. Price has created the low. The daily has flipped bullish back. So let's see. Now we have a daily low. So I think some people will just give a sniper. Okay, let me do something crazy. But I'll use like a very smaller size on the trade. I'll use a very smaller size. Anyways, while we're waiting for price to do whatever I want to do, you can see the pressure is strong. It's like very strong to the downside. So we can look for something around here. Like I said, let's wait a few seconds. Let's see if the next candle can close bullish back into the zone. If we can get the next 15 minutes closing bullish back into the zone. I don't know if I should stay active for a while or do other things. Probably I'll just stay active. Probably I'll stay active for a while. But I might not be here. But the stream will just be. I'm actually done with the stream. But I'll just leave my stream running. Just leave my stream running for a while. And mute the sound. And that's gonna be it. Mute my voice. So if anything comes in place, I will just possibly place a trade. But for now, I think the stream has ended. The stream literally ended. So let's wait and see. Yes, let's wait and see. So this is the end of the stream. But this is the end of the stream. Like me, I'm going to do something else. But you guys can still observe the stream, look at this, what's going on. But I'm done. I'm actually done trading. Wow. 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 It is moving down, man. This is like over 100 people from this level. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's see if this candle can flip bullish and push up. You get. Let's see if this candle can flip bullish and close bullish above. But that's it, guys. That's it. Let me go do some other things. And I will let you guys know if I see any trade. Peace out. But the stream is still on. Don't get me wrong. I'm not closing it now. I will leave it to run till like 10 o'clock. You guys, it's still on like this. I'm just going to leave my screen to go do other things I need to do. Then later on I'll come back. But that's it. But the stream is just going to keep running for a while till I actually close it. So that's it. The other thing is that I'll just remove my camera. I just turn off my camera and turn off my voice. So that's it. So take care, guys. See you guys. I might come back and just place a trade and show you guys the trade. But for now, yes, peace. Alright guys, this candle is closing in 30 minutes, so let's see if we can get a counter trend setup. Let's see if we can get this candle to do a bit of retracement like this. Let's see if we can get this candle to retrace a bit down. Then we can look to flip it to the downside and look to take positions for buy. This is a bit of counter trend. Let's see if we can get buy to this level here. Exact where the candle flip. So this is what I'm looking for right now. So let's see if we can get this counter trend setup. So hopefully the candle close. Oh damn. So the candle close with no top weak. Was it a weak rejection there? Okay, this is very bad. Alright guys, I think this is where I'm going to end the stream now. The candle close where I wanted to close, so there's no point. So this might be price coming back up to retest this level. So we can also see a retest here and a possible sell to the downside. So this is where I look to end the stream. We've tried even over an hour on even over an hour, so there's nothing else we can do here. Nothing we can do here. Unless the fact that the price has created a high, if we can come back down and create a low after this high, see that's giving us an high. So let's see if we can push back down and flip back up, then it might be opportunities. But I just waited and there's nothing going on. So I think I'm going to close. I'm going to end the stream here. Yeah, this is what I'm going to end the stream. So see you guys. See you guys. Let's wait a bit. Let's wait a bit.